Hello traders, I want to sell Dow Jones at 23921. This is a speculative trade. What is a speculative day trading? Alright, this is what we're going to talk about today. Alright, speculative day trading. Alright, I want to sell Dow Jones at 23921. That order is not yet filled. It will be filled when the price reaches that level. All right. So we will see why, because you see the price went very fast to this zone. Okay, pull back a bit. There was a resistance there. There were some sellers there. Now it went back to the same level. People sold it down a bit. Now if it go back up again, okay, to the same zone, all right, I want to sell it at the same zone. So there was a rejection here, all right, for the first time, which means there was a resistance, okay, that zone. All right, as the price went to the same zone, there were some sellers that pushed it down, the price here now. So my strategy is very simple. It's a speculative day trading. If it goes back to the same zone, I want to sell it exactly there where people did sell it before. That's very simple, yes or no? But it is a speculative trade, all right? But I want to show you also the reason why I'm more willing to sell in that zone. So, but if it goes above 23921 and find a support, all right, I will change my mind, all right, and look for an opportunity to buy above 23921. So I am ready to sell and I'm ready to buy. But right now, my intention is to sell it if it manages slowly but gradually to go back to the same level due to the reasons I've already mentioned. Will it reach that level? If not, all right, all right, they're not going back there. They're pushing it back down. All right. I may have to change my limit order as I'm waiting for that order to be filled. If they start going down, I may have to find another place to sell it. All right. But suppose I'm on the 5-minute time frame, by the way. All right. So the price went down on the 12th of December. So it went up and went down on the 12th of December. Okay, here we are. And then on the 14th, on the 17th, it went down. So Friday. All right, and then Monday it went down. Today is Tuesday, the 18th of December 2018. All right. Okay, so price was going down before, but if you look on the 5-minute time frame, the price has broken. Okay, that, so we are here now. There's a trend line here. That's that bright straight line. That's where we are now. Going to color that trend line into pink, all right? They are not pushing it back down anymore. They are not pushing it up anymore, so I'll have to find another place to sell it. So you can see that my order is not yet filled. So color that trend line in black, okay? You see, on the 5-minute time frame. Right. So if I draw another line that is parallel to that black trend line, we have a channel, a declining channel. But my decision is not taken from the 5-minute time frame. Right? If you also measure the width of that channel and project it one more time here and draw another line that is parallel to the first channel. This is our projected channel talking about market geometry. So we have two channels, to the first one here and the second one here. So yesterday I did record a video that I titled How to Trade with Eyes Wide Open. I have already posted a video on my Facebook page, stochastic-macd Facebook page. So you can check it out there. And today I will also be live streaming that video at Georgetrio YouTube channel. So I will be premiering the same video on my YouTube channel, Georgetrio YouTube channel. So you can be ready to watch that video. So suppose you're on a 5-minute time frame. So if you decide to sell, as I'm doing here, like here, it's not too bad because at least on a 5-minute time frame, it's in a declining channel. So you form a new lower low. Now it's going back out and retesting the top of the channel. But that is not the reason why I want to sell it. I already explained to you some of the reasons why I want to sell it on this 5-minute time frame. But there is a better reason why I want to sell it there. All right. Yesterday also, I did record another video which I have not yet posted on YouTube or Facebook. The title of that video is How to Find a Very Good Support Level Like a Pro Technical Trader. I will be live streaming that video on Facebook first before premiering it on my Georgetrio YouTube channel. So check it out once it's posted. All right. It looks to me these people are not bringing it up anymore. I'm going to move my order to sell. I'll put it here. That's it. Yes, 13868. Yes. So it's coming down to feel that 13868. So if they don't want to bring it up, I'll prefer to sell it below. Because it's a better place to sell it at the top there. That's it. I'm now in this trade. At the level of 23868. 23868. Wow, that's it. For that trade, or I'm a friend, I will use 30 pip, 30. Okay, hold on please. 30 pips. So my stop loss is at 23898. Bear with me, please. In that zone. All right? Color it running out of color now. So I'll color in red, all right? Stop loss, I'll color the entry in green. And by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It's primarily for the TSTW 24 traders. All right, there it is. So I was telling you that so if you come to this level, 23750, I will come out very fast. The pink line here. But there is a reason, another reason why I want to sell it. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart. Okay, so here we are. So you can see this morning. So this on the daily chart, the price gap up. See, so it closed yesterday here, all right, and it gap up to retest. Too many lines. Can you see on my chart? Okay, traders, apology to traders. So, okay, hold on. Let's use some of those lines. You can see that I've been covering this Dow Jones for some time. All right, so I need to be careful because I have some line relating to, you see the green channel here, okay? So there's a green channel. So yesterday, the price went below that declining green channel. People sold it. Went below that declining channel, closed below it, and this morning it gap up to retest the edge of that lower part of the green channel. So what the price did today, it break below that declining channel and then gap up to retest it. All right. So where I was selling it, traders, the price going down very fast. I need to go back to the 5-minute time frame to show you what is happening there, because I want to come out somewhere here. Okay, what I'm going to do to show you what we do, so you can move your entry point to break even at 23868. All right. The price now at 23789. So I'm going to, in fact, I'll move it down, move my stop loss down to 238. Move it down more, in case they push it up. 23810. All right. So what I've done, I've secured, all right, so far 58 pips. So you can do that, okay? So you are day trading, you sell, price goes down big time, you can move it to your entry point, you can move your stop loss to entry point. If it goes down too much, as it did here, it went down so far, 58 pips. So I move it down, it went down more than 58 pips. So I went beyond my entry point to secure 58 pips. So if the price turn around here and try to go back up, it will close my trade automatically, but I will get my 58 pips, which means that 58 pips is guaranteed. So there are a few exercises that we do very often, which means so I'll tell you that I was using 30 pip for the entry. So selling, so if the price goes down 30 pip down, I can move my stop loss, all right, to my entry point. So they talk about trailing stop loss, which means the computer will automatically follow the price 30 pip as it's going down if you are selling, or 30 pip if it's going down. This is what we call trailing stop loss. But I don't like that. I don't like those ones. I prefer to watch it myself, okay? Because sometimes they can take you out very fast. So, depending on the market environment. So price went down again, so we are now at 23777. So it went down, you can see here, it's again. So I'll move my stop loss down again at 23800. So what I've done so far, I have secured 68 pips. So I'm doing it myself, but you can set it using the trailing stop loss, following the price. I don't want to do that, okay? So let's go back. Now that I secure some of my gain, because I told you that it would be better for me to take a bigger profit near the pink line here. That's why I'm doing this exercise now. But I know that I have now 68 pips out of this trade very fast. How long have you been talking now? 30 minutes. Not bad, is it? Not bad for day trading. Sometimes it can take longer than that, okay? So I was telling you about that video that I titled, all right, how to find a very good support level like a pro technical trader. So today I will be recording another video, okay? And I will title that video how to find a very good resistance level, how to find a very good resistance key level like a professional bearish trader. How to find a very good resistance key level like a professional bearish trader. In that tutorial, I need to monitor what is happening here. I will show traders how to find a very good resistance level. Why do we care? Okay, the exercise I'm doing here is that I have found, okay, a very good resistance level where I showed Dow Jones. That's what I did. So if you want to buy, or if you see a bullish signal, right, or if you are a bullish trader, all you need to find is to find a very good support level if you want to buy or if you are a bullish trader. That's all. Whether you are day trading, swing trading, position trading. A very good support level will support the price, and the price will find it very, very difficult to break it. And you want to buy near that very good support level. There are two ways one can find a very good resistance level, and also two ways to find a very good resistance level. And in those videos that I have already mentioned, I will be talking about how to find those very good support and resistance. The same thing I'm doing here now. That's exactly what I've done. Though, remember the first video that I mentioned to you, how to trade with eyes wide open. So you see now the price went down. I could have closed my trade now. Okay, it's going back up. But you may say to me, Joe, you leave some money on the table. You could have taken more because the price went down all the way here. So if it goes back, it goes to 238.00. Now you can see it's going to close it will close my trade automatically if it crosses that trend line. That's what will happen. Okay, but you may say, Joe, you leave some money on the table now. Okay, that's it. I'm out of this trade now. Okay? I'm out of it. 68 pips. I could have taken more. Okay, so you went down to 237.71. You will say, Joe, you are a very greedy boy. But maybe, all right, maybe I was a little bit, okay, but I was aiming for a bigger profit. By doing so, I give back some of them. This is it. This is it. This is trading, all right? This is trading. But it was not a stupid decision because I still get paid 68 pips. So it's not bad, isn't it? So, but going back to what is very, very important, why are we are recording this video is that you want to sell for a very good resistance level. You want to buy for a very good support level. That's it. And then implement, a different time frame trading method. So on the 5-minute time frame, it looks a little bit bullish, yes or no? So today you see price quickly run up. In fact, it gap up, it went up, to retest that key level there. And so it was a little bit above the moving 100 here. People may say a reversal, so somebody looking at a trend line here may say, Joe, yes, but we have another channel here. That's it. So it breaks above that blue channel, but it went back to retest the black channel on the top there. But on the 5-minute time frame, you may say that, it's going to go back up. It may still go back up. It may still go back up. But for me personally, to buy this Dow Jones today, I would prefer to buy it above, the lower part of that daily chart trailer. This trailer, you see this trailer on the daily chart. If I want to truly buy, I would prefer to buy above that line here. Because what has happened, the price break below and gap up to retest it. The first reaction, as we have seen it on the 5-minute time frame, people slowed it down a little bit. Interestingly, it tried to go back above it. But they slowed it down again in this currency by here. They slowed it down a little bit. That's why at the beginning I put my limit order to sell at the same level because I thought they would push it back up there so I can sell it. But they continue to sell it. I was forced to sell it below here. And then it just continued to go down more, you see. So it's not only on about 5-minute time frame. I was looking at the bigger picture on the daily chart, break below, retest. And in conjunction with the 5-minute time frame, so I'm not just looking at the chart, I'm trying to understand. You see, the talking that we are doing now, we are trying to interpret the message that the price is giving to us. All right? So it's now almost 20 minutes, so should we continue to record this video or should we wrap it up? So you see now? So you may say, Joe, you're going to say it again? Yes, I am. Because it's too important. So the same thing I say to 2-4. SP traders, the stochastic pattern, or traders that will have bullish pattern, bearish pattern. When you see a stochastic pattern, ask yourself the question, is that bearish stochastic pattern taking place at a resistance zone? Is that bullish stochastic pattern taking place in a support zone? If yes, the next step is to use different time frame trading method to trade it. If you are day trading, you want to make sure you are day trading the first 2 hours when New York is open. So the time now, okay, you see now, in exactly 36 minutes, that first 2 hours when New York is open will be shut down. 36 minutes left. This is the best time. I was talking about it also a bit yesterday, that sometimes traders let them shut down because they go and buy. It's not because the signal was wrong or the setup was wrong. The trader did everything right and they go and buy. All right? They done their homework correctly. But they just buy by themselves. They are the only one buying that time, or there were only few traders buying, as talking about day trading, buying during that time. The price will go up and they'll be taken out of the trade. Though they were not wrong, they choose the wrong time to sow their seed. Just ask the farmers. They will not sow anytime, anywhere, anyhow. They will tell you. So some plants, they will sow them in a different season, different time, and there are procedures that they follow. The same thing trader will do, especially if you are day trading. First 2 hours when London is open, first 2 hours when New York is open. Sometimes trader may get away with the Hong Kong first 2 hours, but just remember that. So this is it. Should I continue to talk more? All right, we wrap it up now. Okay, this is a speculative. So I told you what is a speculative trade. A speculative trade, which this video, I'll leave it in a public place at, I think also at on one of our websites. So sometimes we have a neat, clean cut signal. So TSCW24, we have a 6 specific signal. This is not a TSCW24 signal yet. None of them. So you may sell or buy. If you are using a trading system or trading method, sometimes traders do that. And you want to know why you are doing that, because it's a speculative trade. Speculative trade is a risky trade. Sometimes it works beautifully. You see here, it worked beautifully. They could have taken me out of that trade. So it's like a 50-50. You have 50 chance that it may work, 50 chance that it may not work. And sometimes it works beautifully. Beautifully. And then you say, wow. You see, that's it. So you are taking calculated risk. That's what you are doing. You are managing the risk. You are controlling the risk. You are in charge. You don't like it, you stay out. Okay. So the speculative trade are not a neat, clean trade. They are not high probability trade. They are not all right, reliable trading signal. They are just those are the things you look at the price and say, okay, it looks to me we are a resistance zone. But when you are doing that, don't just do it as a gambler. So you can see now I've taken a speculative trade. But my approach was not a gambling. I was looking at what has happened. I was looking at the price before I made that decision. Though we were at a tricky place, you see, on the edge of the upper side of the black channel that we have drawn on the 5-minute time frame. No bad place to sell. Also, we are on the edge of that lower part of the daily chart channel. No bad place to sell. But the price was above the moving 100, trying to climb above it. All right. So this is it. So if you find the video truly useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. You think it's an essential tutorial that can open the eyes of those speculative traders or day traders or scalpers. All right. Feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. Our channel is a Georgetrio channel. I have other channel. Elliott wave, 2-4 Elliott wave YouTube channel. If you are in Elliott wave, if you are in Fibonacci, CCI, RSI, all right, fractal pattern trading, that's a Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right, if you trade Forex, okay, that's a 2-4 Forex trader. You are in stock, the channel is 2-4 stock trader. All right, so subscribe to Georgetrio channel. All right, it is free. And be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. The question now is, will there be another chance to sell it? So I come down a bit, you see here. So this move up, okay, it's in fact a gap, or a price may come back down and cancel it completely. So they are selling again. Should I sell again? So so we close this video and we will see whether there is another chance to sell one more time. Okay. Happy trading to you all. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you next time.